All right, so you've learned about how to manipulate text. It's time to learn how to manipulate numbers. In JavaScript, there are a couple of operations that you can perform on numbers, and I'm going to show you those right now. So, the common operators that you can do with numbers is you can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide, and you can use what's called the modulus operator. In this video, we're just going to talk about the first four. In the next video, I'll give you a breakdown of how the modulus operator works. And then after that, we'll talk about how to use it. But for now, let's say you have a number. So we'll create a variable. We'll say let my num1 equal, and let's just do 5 right now. Then we'll say let my num2 equal 15. If we want to add those two numbers, just as expected, it is the plus sign. So we could say alert my num1 plus my num2. And if we save that and we go live, or if you're already live, you can just switch over to your live website. You can see 5 plus 15 is 20. And that is exactly what we would expect if we did addition. If we subtract my num1 from my num2 and save, and we go over to our web page, we can see that it's 10. 15 minus 5 is 10. So exactly what we would expect. We're going to come back over. We could do 15 because that's what my num2 is, divided by 5. And if we come over, we see the answer is 3, just like we'd expect. And then if we do 15 times 5 and we save that and we come over, we can see it's 75. And I am just now realizing I forgot an operator. If you used a double asterisk, that is for an exponent. So if we wanted to raise 5 to the second power, we would say my num1 and then double asterisk and then my num2. So that is the same as raising 5 to the second power. So if we save that, 5 squared is 25, and sure enough, there's 25. All right, so just as a review, addition is the plus sign, subtraction is the hyphen or the dash, multiplication is the asterisk, division is a single forward slash. You can find the forward slash underneath the question mark next to your right-hand shift key. And then the double asterisk is for exponentiation. That is on the number 8. So you'd hold shift and 8, and that's how you get a single asterisk. Do that twice, and you get your double asterisk. And then in the next video, we'll talk about modulus. Modulus is above your number 5 key. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.